Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 3 of the Bali vlogs. So today I decided to go to another island in Indonesia, and this is called Nusa Penida. Yeah, Nusa Penida. Anyway, so I did snorkeling here. That was the first activity that I did. Mind you, I cannot swim to save my life, but they gave me a life jacket and there were lifeguards and so on. I did not get to record much because I was by myself. I was on a boat with a bunch of strangers and I didn't want to ask anybody to record me. Anyway, next up we had lunch, which you saw earlier, and also we went to the famous spot. I forgot what the name of this area is, but this is a very famous spot that you see on Instagram. We did not go all the way down because it was like a 2 hours hike, so we're not into that. Plus we're strapped for time because I only went there for a day, and in order to take pictures, people had to, like the tour guides, they had to go into the trees to get some nice pictures. After that we went to another famous spot on the island, Nusa Penida Island, and we just enjoyed the view, took some pictures and enjoyed the day. I did enjoy the island. It was much smaller than Bali, but I did enjoy it and I would go back. But if I do go back, I would definitely spend like maybe overnight, like 2 days on the island. Anyway, so in the evening we went back to the Bali island, and I decided to get some KFC and some food and so on, and then went back to the hotel. Alright guys, so let me just say that I had a tour guide in Bali and he took care of everything for me. So when I wanted to go to Nusa Penida, he booked the tickets. I needed to get a driver on that island. He arranged that for me. I told him I wanted to do snorkeling. He booked that for me. So he did pretty much everything. And also when we came back to the island, he arranged for a driver to pick me up. And here you can see that I got KFC. So this has no cheese. What I want cheese. Number 7 has cheese. Can I get cheese with it? So number 4 sandwich has no cheese.
Ini yang super besar nomor 4 ini cheese. No have cheese here.
Can I add it? The extra or
Misalnya minta diginin cheese-nya bisa? No.
no?
No.
Hey y'all, good morning. So it's about 9 a.m. No, actually it's 10:19 now. This is the first time that I'm actually sleeping in late because today's gonna be like a lazy day for me. I'm going down to get breakfast right now. This is gonna be the first time that I'm eating breakfast at this hotel, because usually I leave out so early that I just don't have time to eat breakfast. Anyway, my outfit for the day is not looking all that well, but I'm just gonna go downstairs for some breakfast, and when I come back up I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna be wearing, because I'm going to explore the Ubud center, which is like a shopping area. So that is what I'm gonna be doing today. But first I gotta eat something. The breakfast stopped serving at 11 and it's now 10:19, so I need to get my butt down there before it's too late. Oh, I gotta pay for breakfast too. I don't even remember how much, but it's not expensive. Something would be like 56,000 rupiah, and then when you convert it to like Jamaican dollars, it's like $560. Like the hell? Which is like maybe less than $5 US and so on. So it's pretty affordable here. Open sesame. Let me just go downstairs first just to talk to receptionist. Where do I pay for breakfast? Did I show you guys the pool? I don't even remember. Maybe I did on our first day. I haven't even used the pool. This is the pool, guys. Let me go upstairs. Hello. Hi, I want breakfast.
So for the order, would you have to order it now?
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Yeah. This is all the main course. You can just get one.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll have maybe just fried noodles. One drink, one appetizer. Okay. Look at my view. So my breakfast is here. I got fried noodles with milk tea. Oh, thank you. Alright guys, so I finished eating breakfast. I'm gonna open this window, even though this balcony, I should say, even though a lot of insects gonna go inside, but I haven't opened the door like here in like fucking in like 3 days. There's no open window, so there's no fresh air coming in. So I don't like how in here smell. It smells like when somewhere it's locked up for a long time. I was supposed to go do laundry, which is next door this hotel, but in order to do laundry I have to pay. So you know what I've decided to do? I'm gonna just not do my laundry, even though sad to say I have laundry from Singapore, Malaysia, no, Indonesia. No, I can't bother go to do my laundry because I'm moving from this hotel in 2 days, in less than 2 days. I have one more full day at this hotel, and then I'm gonna move on to the next hotel. So what I'm gonna do, just wait until I go to that hotel, and I'm gonna do laundry there, because if I go do laundry next door, I'm gonna have to pay. While if I go do laundry at a hotel, it's free. Well, I think it's gonna be free, but at least the thing is I want to do my own laundry. If I go to the laundry place next door, they're probably gonna take my laundry and do it themselves. I want to do my own laundry because I want to separate my stuff. So I don't mind paying the extra money as long as my stuff is separated. I just texted the tour guide, the guy that has been carrying me around. Just texted him and let him know that I'm gonna be ready in 2 hours. I'm already ready. I'm gonna just put on like a tights or something because I don't like this outfit at all. It doesn't look good. I don't like it. So I'm gonna be walking around the square, or the busiest. So I'm in Ubud. That's where I've been staying for 5 days. This is day 4, so I have one more full day here, and then I'm gonna move on to, I don't know where I'm gonna go because I haven't even looked for the hotel yet. Can you imagine? There are so many places that I can stay at, so it's like it's so confusing because the other places they look so good. Again, the tour guide told me to book Ubud because this is where a lot of the activities, like the things that I wanted to do, it's close to this area. So that's why I bought this hotel. Plus I wanted something cheap. So here it's very cheap. Not too pricey, but at the same time I want luxury. Because I'm in Bali, people. But you know, Bali is very, very cheap. So even though it might look expensive, it's gonna be on a cheaper side. Today, a while ago I paid 65,000 rupiah for breakfast, and that is just 650 Jamaican dollars, or maybe 650 yen. That's less than $6 US for breakfast. The currency is throwing me off, but when you convert it, it's so cheap. I'm gonna try and do some work in the 2 hours that I have until the driver comes. I'm trying to go to the airport too because I need to meet up with the girl that I met in Singapore. I don't know if I'm gonna get to go to the hotel, to the airport to pick her up, or to see her. We're gonna go out Saturday night. We're gonna go party on Saturday, because like how I have her, I'm more confident in terms of going out to party, because before I didn't want to go party by myself, you know, the only female in like a party area. But since I have her, I'm gonna have her, then I'm quite fine. So we're gonna go party. So if you guys don't see her today, you're gonna see her on Saturday night, and then I don't know what we're going to be doing Sunday, but I know for Sunday I'm gonna be exploring. I think I only have one more day of activities, and then that's it. I don't really have anything else to do. I'm gonna ask the tour guide what are the things that I need to do in Bali, because I'm not coming back here, or if I do come here, it's not gonna be anytime soon. Breakfast was good. I like the fried noodles. I got fried noodles with egg on top, and I had like milk tea and mixed fruits. I didn't like the mixed fruit because it wasn't cold. Yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys later. Did a quick search on Google, and it said that this palace is a place that showcased like the Balinese art and so on. Because later on today there is a show, but I don't think I'm gonna be in the square like at 7:30. So it starts at 7:30, but I'm not gonna be here because that's too late, and it's like an hour and a half. I don't want to be so late because it's 2:51 now, so that's a lot of time without try and kill. Mango, chocolate, coconut, but I'm getting the coconut and the cheesecake. Yeah, coconut and cheesecake. Ooh, this setup is really cute. Very nice. Beautiful.
Because you big good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any bigger size, like
Yeah.
for my mom?
Yeah.
So maybe not me, but my mom.
Yeah, this one.
Show me how to carry.
Yeah.
Okay, so Bali.
Bali look, yes.
What name?
Bali batik.
Bali batik.
Yeah, traditional batik Bali. Because you good body.
Thank
What's
you.
your name?
Sachoney.
Sachoney. Beautiful.
Okay, I'm walking up this road. I don't know where the hell I am. And I saw a lot of vendors along the street, and they were like trying to get me to buy stuff. And I actually caved in and I bought, as you guys can see, I bought this Bali wrap thingy, and I bought this dress thingy for my mom. I think I'm gonna go get a massage maybe. Alright guys, Guys, I'm gonna go get a massage. Here it's so relaxing. They have shown everything. Wow. So I stopped at this restaurant called Tropical, an international restaurant. So I'm gonna choose from the menu and see what I wanna eat. Alright, so I'm gonna have this salmon and this cocoa blueberry thingy. Guys, let me see. Where's the lighting? Let me tell you something. I took a bike ride today because I just came off of a bike. I couldn't even record because the thing is I was in the town, Ubud town. It's very crowded, right? And there are many taxis and many people and all of that. So my tour guide, he arranged for a bike to come pick me up, a bike taxi. So if I didn't take the bike taxi, I would have paid like 150,000 rupiah, but with the bike I only paid 30,000 rupiah, so that's a great deal. But the thing is, like, I have not been on a bike back in like a long time, and I was a little scared, you know, very scared. But anyway, so I'm back home. I feel like I was scammed today. I feel like I'm always getting scammed. I bought this thing for my mom, right? So the lady said, because you know Jamaica hot and everything, so I was like, okay, let me buy something for my mom that she can wear. I don't know wherever she want to wear it. I bought this dress for her. So apparently maybe silk is more expensive than cotton or something. I paid this to this, and I bought this thing, which is the Balinese thingy, wrap thingy. I don't even know how to wear it. The lady wrapped it around me, as you could see. I paid 750,000 rupiah, which is 7,000. Call it about 7,500 Jamaican dollars. When the lady tell me, like, she said 750, I thought she meant like 75,000. But then I was like, I still paid it, and then afterwards I was thinking like, wait, but how much money is that? Because a lot of time the money is so freaking confusing. Like, even a while ago I paid only 300 Jamaican dollars. Can you imagine just paying $300 in a taxi? As in, we're coming from Japan, where that's like unheard of. But what I'm saying is, like, the currency is just so confusing that sometimes I don't know when I'm getting a good deal and I'm not. So I bought this thing, and I also bought mangoes. I got 2 mangoes for 30,000 rupiah, which is 300. Yay! So I'm gonna eat mango now, and I need to finalize my plan for tomorrow because I want to go to the mountain. Tomorrow will be day 5. Yeah, so I just spoke to my tour guide, and I'm gonna call my tour guide Daddy because I keep on saying my tour guide. It's only one tour guide I have. Almost everything that I do is through him. So like even a while ago with the bike thing, I was corresponding with him and he arranged the ride. So he has been so helpful throughout the trip. I don't feel like I'm alone because I have him to help me too, you know. So I'm asking him about the money.
750,000 or 75,000?
750,000.
What are you doing? It's too expensive.
Because she said it was silk, so I bought a dress. It's a big size because I bought it for my mom and I bought the wrap. So she scammed me.
It's called batik, right? Batik.
Yeah, yes.
I think it is a print batik, not a like a handmade batik.
One on the street. I think the street where the Ubud Palace is.
I told ya, it's asked me before. I don't see the batik yet. If it's like a handmade by a manual, not like a machine, I think it is a bit worth it.
I'll carry both of them tomorrow.
Okay, just let me see, guys.
Yeah, because sometimes the money confuses me. When I convert it to yen, it's a lot of money.
It is 100,000 rupiah.
Yeah.
So you give like seven pieces of them.
Yes. So he's gonna see it tomorrow. I'm gonna carry them in person tomorrow for him to see. I'm just so upset with myself. I feel like I'm not gonna buy anything else because I can't believe it. That's a lot of money though. Either way, whether it's worth it or not. But it's silk and the material feels so good. Batik, which is the wrap, is not worth it because it's printed and not handmade. But I'm gonna carry it to him for him to see it tomorrow. Well, I'm gonna have to get up at 2:30 because I'm gonna have to be ready by 3:30. So 3:30 tomorrow is gonna come pick me up. Anyways, I'm gonna just head into the shower and then try and relax. Wait, I need to book my hotel because I haven't booked my second hotel. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm a little upset, guys. I don't even know what date it is, but anyways, it's 3:30 a.m. My driver is gonna pick me up at 4 o'clock. I'm practically ready now, so I'm gonna, because I have 30 minutes to spare, I decided to make some tea and then I'm gonna just relax and try to research some stuff. So I'm going to the mountain today to watch the sunrise, and then afterwards I'm gonna go to a hot spring. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, but we'll see what happens. Tomorrow I'm checking out of this hotel. I already booked my second hotel, which is awesome. I can't wait for you guys to see it.
Okay, sunrise jeep tour in Mount Batur. so you don't have to hike.
Oh, hello. Morning. How much a blanket?
10,000 for what?
It was a bumpy ride. So this is a volcanic eruption, people. They said it erupted in 1963.
Okay.
Ooh. Guys, so this is an active volcano, and the last eruption was in 2000.
Yes.
2000. But the eruption was small. What is the name of this mountain?
Mount Batu.
Mount Batu.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Mount Batu. Okay, so this one and over there. Wow.
Eruption in 1963.
1963. A few days later, I went to Seminyak, which is the party part of Bali, but I'm adding it to this video. Oh, but I need to put up my phone on. Vlog, guys. Do you remember Adi from Singapore?
Hi, lovelies.
Yeah, guys. So we're going to. Wait, I don't even know where we enter from. Alright, guys. So we spent like 1 hour in the club. And we're gonna head back home because like it's not my scene, you know. Plus we have a busy day tomorrow, so yeah. Rah! That's so funny.
You got me once again.